Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an unboxing of a multi-purpose headlamp. It's super bright, super far, long endurance, drop resistance, waterproof design. So let's have a look inside. So it's quite a sturdy box, and inside we get some bubble wrap with the lamp inside it, and we get a USB micro connector. So let's have a look what's in the bag. So as you can see, it's a really compact design, very sturdy LED light holder, angle adjustable light, so it allows you to put it on your head and point it down. This elasticated headband, which is pretty heavy duty, and then at the back the rechargeable battery holder, which I should imagine has got two large batteries inside, and it's actually charged using this micro USB here. So let me just undo this cable and see if it fits. The thing goes in upside down, and it means you can basically recharge it from any of your 5-volt USB chargers. Of course, depending on the power of the charger, depends on how quickly it'll charge. So what I'm going to do now is to charge the unit by plugging it in, and then I'm actually going to give it a test. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel where you can find lots of other unboxing videos and how-to videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.